After weeks of rebuilding this BMW engine, it was finally time for the test drive. Everything was going perfectly until this happened. At that moment, I thought I'd destroy the engine all over again, but luckily, I just needed to figure out what actually caused it. Let me show you what happened. Before the test drive, there was still one issue I hadn't solved. The right bank was slowly losing high pressure fuel, but the engine ran perfectly with no misfires and no fault codes. I even swapped the high pressure fuel pumps from left to right, but the pressure drop stayed on the right side. Since everything else looked good, I decided to take it for a test drive, but that decision lasted for about 5 minutes. Thick smoke, multiple misfires, a strong fuel smell, and reduced power message, the usual BMW experience, but that narrowed it down to 3 possibilities: a leaking injector, a high pressure fuel system problem, or something much worse. But my biggest concern wasn't the misfire, I was more concerned about possible secondary damage to freshly rebuilt engine. How to check leaking injector. First, remove all the spark plugs or disconnect all injectors so engine doesn't start. And then start the engine. This will build pressure in high pressure fuel system. You will see fuel rail pressures are equal now in the right bank and left bank. As you can see, the right bank drops rapidly compared to the left bank. So let's look and see if I find anything. I already suspect cylinder 1 because when I removed spark plug it smelled like fuel. So let's get this borescope in there. Switch it to side view. Try to find the injector. Here's my injector. Can you see this? So this is injector over here. And this is fuel. Shooting fuel out. Just like that. No need to remove injectors to test for that. Look at that. Let's make a short video here. Let's check other cylinders. Good. This one here is also good. This is how it should look, by the way. Make a screenshot of that. So this project has been going on for a long time, and after installing the engine it still smokes and it's misfiring. I'm gonna have to replace one of the injectors. The injector fixed the leaking issue. Both rails now show the same pressure. At least something's fixed. Let's fire it up. Fingers crossed. No smoke yet. That's a good sign. And that's it. No smoke, no misfires. This injector wasn't sealing anymore. It was dumping fuel into the cylinder, causing the misfires, the smoke, and the strong fuel smell. But after replacing it, engine ran perfectly again. But the best part is the rebuilt engine was completely fine, and all of that work hadn't been wasted after all.